Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix unexpected client behavior on Roblox. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. While joining into a server on Roblox, if you ever see this kind of a pop-up where it is disconnected, you have been kicked out due to unexpected client behavior, then it might be pretty much frustrating. But in today's video, we're gonna talk about some of the fixes that might help you solve the problem. In order to solve the issue, the first thing to do is to make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. If you're already connected, you can also try switching between them and find the best connection for yourself. And once you do that, the next thing to do is to simply log out of your Roblox application. Get inside in your main homepage of Roblox and then log yourself out of Roblox application. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right hand corner from the main homepage and scroll all the way down. Now tap on the log out button and confirm log out by tapping on log out button one more time. Once you log out of your application, log in back again and see if that fixes the issue by joining into a server. If the problem still persists, you can simply uninstall and reinstall Roblox application from your Android device. Simply go ahead and open up your game launcher and tap on details link right beneath the Roblox app. Now tap on the delete button at the top right hand corner and click on OK when it asks you if you want to uninstall the app. Soon after you hit OK, you'll be able to uninstall the application. Once the application is uninstalled, go back to your Play Store and re-download the application and see if that fixes the issue. That is how you'll be able to fix unexpected client behavior error on your Roblox account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.